Welcome to another upload of the Jamaica Bulletin Board, where we keep you in the loop with what's happening in Jamaica. Please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop. Your thumbs ups make sure that the algorithm will bring the news of what's happening in Jamaica to everyone's doorstep. By subscribing, you will be notified whenever we upload. Now let's get down to business. In the news today, we begin with something quite inspiring for Jamaicans at home and abroad. A very great and touching report. The Jamaican government is expanding its school feeding program to address nutritional needs and improve academic performance among students in underperforming schools. Education Minister Senator Dana Morris Dixon announced that 56 high schools and 189 primary schools, identified as underperforming, will benefit from this initiative. These schools often serve students from lower socioeconomic backgrounds who face challenges such as poverty and food insecurity. The expansion includes providing breakfast in addition to the existing lunch program. This decision was made after recognizing that many students arrive at school without having breakfast, and for some, the lunch provided through the Program of Advancement through Health and Education, PATH, is their only meal for the day. To support this initiative, the government has allocated $129.3 million for school feeding assistance as part of a larger $9.36 billion budget for student support services. This funding will help maintain school canteens and ensure that students receive nutritious meals, contributing to their overall well-being and academic success. This expansion reflects the government's commitment to addressing the needs of vulnerable students and creating a supportive learning environment. What do you think about this one, folks? Is Jamaica getting it right or what? Moving on. Agriculture development. Plans are underway to establish Jamaica's first freshwater fish agropark in Mitchelltown, Clarendon. This initiative aims to boost tilapia production and meet the growing demand for freshwater fish. Jamaica is taking a significant step in agriculture with the establishment of its first freshwater fish agropark in Mitchelltown, Clarendon. This project, spearheaded by the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries, and Mining, aims to address the growing demand for freshwater fish, particularly tilapia. The agropark, referred to as an aquapark, will operate similarly to traditional agroparks, where farmers can rent infrastructure to support their production needs. This initiative is part of a broader strategy to revitalize the tilapia industry, which has seen a resurgence in demand since the COVID-19 pandemic. To support this effort, a $574 million investment has been made in constructing a tilapia hatchery at Twickenham Park, St. Catherine. This facility will significantly increase the production of advanced fry, young fish, from 1 million to 5 million annually. The government also plans to reintroduce tilapia exports, which had declined after the exit of a major private sector player years ago. Additionally, the ministry has launched a tilapia takeover campaign to promote the versatility and culinary appeal of tilapia, encouraging its consumption and supporting local producers. This initiative not only aims to boost local fish production but also seeks to create economic opportunities for farmers and contribute to Jamaica's food security. It's an exciting development for the agricultural sector. In another news, I witnessed it and it was scary to those who were watching. However, all's well that ends well, they say. SpaceX incident. SpaceX's Starship spacecraft experienced a significant setback during its 8th test flight on March 6, 2025. Shortly after liftoff from Boca Chica, Texas, the rocket lost control and disintegrated approximately 9 minutes and 30 seconds into the flight. This marked the second consecutive failure for the Starship program this year. The explosion scattered debris over parts of the Caribbean, including Florida and the Bahamas. While there were no reports of toxic materials in the debris, the incident caused disruptions to air travel. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, temporarily halted departures from major Florida airports, including Miami and Orlando, leading to delays and rerouted flights. The test flight aimed to deploy dummy satellites and simulate re-entry maneuvers, but the spacecraft failed to achieve its objectives. SpaceX has stated that it will conduct a thorough investigation to identify the cause of the failure and improve the rocket's reliability for future missions. Telecommunications expansion. Rock Mobile, Jamaica's third domestic telecommunications provider, is set to begin operations this year. After delays caused by the pandemic and supply chain issues, the company has secured financing and is ready to roll out its services. News on sports. Cricket update. The Jamaica Scorpions are battling it out against the Guyana Harpy Eagles in a regional first-class match at Sabina Park. The Scorpions are chasing a challenging target of 489 runs. Track and field. Minister of Sports Olivia Grange reassured the public that the ongoing resurfacing of the National Stadium track will not affect the upcoming Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. The new track will feature the colors of the Jamaican flag. Football. Moline United staged an incredible comeback to defeat Veer United 3-2 in the Jamaica Premier League. Jason Wright scored the winning goal in added time, snapping Moline's 4-game losing streak. News on entertainment. Here are some highlights from Jamaica's entertainment scene. Reggae Gold Awards. Orville Hall, founder of Dancepressions, was honored at the 2025 Reggae Gold Awards for his contributions to dance. The event celebrated Jamaican talent and cultural impact. The 2025 Reggae Gold Awards was a spectacular event that concluded Reggae Month celebrations in Jamaica. Held at the National Indoor Sports Center, the ceremony honored music practitioners whose work has significantly shaped the reggae and dancehall industry. Highlights of the event included tributes to legendary artists like Maxie Priest, Ken Booth, Marcia Griffiths, and the late Garnett Silk. Ken Booth, who has been battling Parkinson's disease, delivered an emotional performance of his classics, such as Starlight and Everything I Own, earning a standing ovation. Choreographer Orville Hall, founder of Dancepressions, was also recognized for his contributions to dance. He dedicated his award to his late father and emphasized the importance of dance as a professional and cultural pursuit. The night featured powerful performances, including a vibrant opening dance number by Dance Theatre Zamaka and Woolmer's dance troupe. Singer Jamila Fallick captivated the audience with her rendition of J.C. Lodge's Someone Loves You Honey. The event celebrated not only the music but also the cultural impact of reggae and dancehall, making it a memorable conclusion to Reggae Month. Let me know if you'd like to explore more about the honorees or performances. Rebel Salute expands. Rebel Salute, one of Jamaica's premier cultural events, has launched in Miami, Florida. This marks a significant step in bringing Jamaican reggae culture to a global audience. Dancehall Buzz, Spice, the Queen of Dancehall, made waves with her latest performance and a fiery message to her critics, proving her energy continues to dominate the dancehall scene. So, what do you think about Spice? Well, that's all for now, folks. See you in the next bulletin. Remember to stay in the loop by hitting the notification bell before you go.